Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Ron and today I'll be showing you a very cool phone that I really wanted for a long time and apparently I recently purchased. It's the Nokia 8110 4G. If you remember the Matrix, right, the movie, Nokia had launched the 8110 then. I believe it was called 8110 only, and this is the 4G variant for the same. Nokia has chosen to keep the serial number the same. The coolest thing about that movie when it comes to the gadgets they were using was the phone that they used. And forever I wanted this phone. The best thing about the phone is, see, it slides open. Just look at that. I mean, I practically fell in love with it the moment I saw it. Now, this phone comes in a box which is like this. I've already opened it. It says Nokia 8110 4G. As you can see, it supports Google Maps, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and it's a 4G phone, so that you can use it with VoLTE support for HD calling in 2018. It's a full plastic body housing. There's a camera at the back. There's a speaker at the back. The keys are very minimalistic, and it makes a good sound, clicking sound when you open it. So looking at the slider, there are two locks here. So once you push it, there's a lock here. So you push it, it gets free. Then right at the end, there's another lock to keep it in place. It becomes a little difficult to slide it with one hand because of the awkward positioning. So practically you can just slide it with both hands, or you can just do two pushes with one finger here. All right. One thing I need to warn you though, this phone is a little slow when it comes to its interface. Like I pressed the call log. I have to wait for some time till I can scroll down. It apparently seems to be loading the logs. It's still not up. Still not coming. Now it's scrolling. So definitely not a primary phone to be used in 2018, but of course you can keep it as a secondary phone, like for all those who want to have the Matrix experience. So I got it for around 5,700 rupees right out of Amazon. It comes with this charging brick. It does not detach, which is actually pretty cheap. They should have at least given a detachable USB cable. It's a micro USB interface, and we have some basic earphones from Nokia, which are absolutely useless. And of course you have the FM radio to use on the go. A lot of smartphones, and I've never seen people using the FM radio, apparently. I mean, this FM radio was a big thing with these phones. Alright then, thank you for joining in. Do give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and do subscribe to the channel. This is Ron, signing off. Bye-bye.